Hello everyone, this is Sabbir Hossain and welcome to ArcGIS for Beginners Class 8. Today we'll try to do some analysis based on certain condition of an area. So at first open ArcGIS. So here two shape files are provided that are RCC word boundary and education facilities. So add the features. So our first question is prepare a RCC boundary polygon using special data of word boundaries. So what we have to do is just dissolve the RCC word boundary. Click on geoprocessing, then go dissolve and select RCC word boundary. Then click on OK. Here we see that the word boundary of RCC. Then our second question is taking 50-meter buffer as standard service area of primary school. So here at first click geofencing, then click buffer and taking education facilities as input feature and choose the output feature class. I choose it in then served. Then click and here input 500 value and then OK. Here we see the 500 buffer in outside the education facilities. Then intersect the served area so that we find the overserved area. So select input feature as served buffer, then select the location of output feature, then overserved, intersect, overserved, intersect, and save. OK. Here we see the overserved area of the RCC boundary. Then dissolve served of buffer and overserved intersect. So so that we will find the total area of served area and total area of overserved area. So at first served the served buffer area, dissolve and OK, and then dissolve overserved area. So here we see the served area and overserved area. Now use identity to see this in one layer. So click georeferencing, then arc toolbox, then click on analysis tool and click overlay and then click identity feature, and uh, and now as input feature use served buffer dissolve, and the identity feature as overserved identity intersect dissolve, and then select the output feature location, then click on OK. If we mark out the all, then we see that the and go to open attribute table, and we see that there are two row in the so if double click on first row, then see the served area, and if the say then show the overserved area. So add a new field to to identify the area type like overserved, served, underserved. So I rename it. Here we select text, then click OK. Then click on editor option and then start editing. Select buffer dissolve and identity, then click OK. Here we can edit it, and first one is served area, served. Second one is overserved area. Then click on editor, then save it is and stop editing. Okay. Here we see that the in one layer served and overserved. So our another work is to show the underserved area in one layer. So click on identity feature, and in input feature as input feature select RCC boundary, sorry, RCC boundary dissolve, and as identity feature select served buffer dissolve identity. Then select the output destination, buffer identity dissolve identity with RCC boundary. Then click on OK. So here we see that if we go to the open attribute table, then see that and there are another layer is here. Here we see that this is the underserved area. So I rename it. Then go to field calculator, then yes, then write underserved, then OK. So our first if you go to the first question, second question answer A, calculate the percentage of only served area, observed area and unserved area within the RCC area. Then go to open attribute table and select the select all, and then copy the all items, and then go to Excel. Now paste and go to insert, then click on pivot table and click OK. as row or column, and then area type in columns, and area 1 is value. So here is see that area. So I see that in percentage in total within RCC area. So select percent row or total and click OK. Here you see that the observed area 54.83, served area 23, and unserved area is 22.11, and total area is 100%. So this is the number question A. And second question B is calculate the percentage of served area, overserved area, underserved area within the RCC area against each ward with reference to total RCC area. So for this, go to ArcMap and then unselect it, and then add then intersect with the RCC boundary. So select RCC boundary and then served area, then go to the destination, rename it, then OK. So here we see the word. So then copy, select all and copy that and go to Excel file and then paste, then go insert and click pivot table, then OK. We see that the area in percentage against reference to total RCC area. So at first area type in columns, sorry, and this time I want to say that area type in row, then area 1 is values and word boundary as columns. So then I want to see that and the with reference to RCC area. So I select percent row total, then click OK. Here you see that the RCC area is 100%, and then we then our third question is calculate the percentage of served area, overserved area, and unserved area within the RCC area against each ward with reference to ward area. So generally it say that they are under one area and then show in 100%. So just normal, here is just one change, then click sum of area, then value field settings, then click show value as, and then just click on column total, percent of column total, then OK. Then number D question is calculate the percentage of population for underserved area, overserved area, and unserved area within the RCC area. So so go to ArcGIS. Then at first calculate the population. So here we see that the population of in 1991, population of 2001. So I can forecasting the population for 2012. So here we see that the growth rate so we use the growth rate formula to find the find the population for 2012 2022. And so at first click on add field, and then rename it population 2012, then click short integer. As you know, peoples are not float, so click short integer, then OK. Then click on field calculator, then go to, and after that click first and this and we know the growth formula is P equal P naught into e to the power RT. So P equal total population after time. So I here total population is I want to see that 2012 population, and P naught is starting population. So I can starting population as 2001. So select it, then into uh, click on exponential, then click inside the exponential, click on growth rate into the time or period. So the time period is 2012 minus 2011. Okay, then click on OK. Here you see that the population for 2012. So our first question is our number D question is the calculation of the percentage of population for underserved, overserved area and underserved area within the RCC area. So see, at first select all, then copy selected, and then paste in Excel file. Then after that, then go to pivot table and then click OK. And our first question is just show our population in value and area type. So here we see that, then we see that in percentage, so show value as, and click percent row total. Our first question answer is that. And then our second question is number E question is calculate the percentage of population for underserved area, overserved area and unserved area against each word with reference to total RCC area. So at first click intersect, then click pivot table, then click OK, then select RCC word 1 as column, then area 1 as area type as row and population in. So now value field settings, then show value as, then click row total, then OK. So here you see that our second question answer. So that's all today. See you next class. Bye.